Yeah, go ahead, man. Have a good time.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
What? I don't know what he's saying. I don't know. Why?
What's he doing?
I don't know. Let's go. Sunglasses.
Oh, you like these?
I like those.
I need to get some of these.
So we're on our way to Thursday, what is it? Thursday night's mega meet up at a...
M-E-E-T, not M-E-A-T.
Yes, not
Yeah.
M-E-A-T.
Yeah.
Which I thought that was at first. But
Well, I texted you meet, but it was voice to text, so sorry. I haven't gone to one of these. This is the first, I guess it's kind of like the streetcar takeovers, right?
Yeah.
Similar to that, and every time I drove by it's packed, and I think this might be the last one because winter's coming. And then what we're gonna do is we're rolling the JEEPER sleeper. We got some X98, some VP mixed with a little E85. We're looking good on the gauges. We're gonna roll down the highway here, or up the highway, and check it out. But heck, you know, as I think about it, when I had my Chevy 2 and Farm Truck had his truck, man, just 10 years ago, if you went to a car show, you had to grow a beard to put on a Hawaiian shirt because it was all street rods, hot rods, and classics.
so it was just kind of like the older generation that was kind of doing the thing.
Purely, but I mean, if you think about it, it didn't even like skip past that generation. It went straight from beards and Hawaiian shirts to freaking lowriders and JDM, man.
Yeah.
Right? Like it's LS motors and turbos and Dodge Neons right now. It wasn't, I mean, yeah, sure, that existed, but I'm talking Oklahoma. I'm talking the middle of America where nothing happened. Just 10 years ago, man, it flipped around so quick, but I like it. I like the fact of what it is, man. And you'll still see some classics out there, but it's just man, that needed to happen a long time ago.
It's at Twin Peaks.
Second Thursday of every month?
It's
Thursdays. You got 4 choices.
Of Thursdays.
Just go every Thursday.
Yeah.
You're gonna hit it once.
one of them. 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. Those are good odds.
There's probably a lot of lifted trucks out there. There'll be some Ford Raptors.
Oh, damn, look at that sunset.
Oh, that's sunset.
Look at you. In the sunset.
That's such a cool picture.
I should take a picture. We know that Richard Garcia with 660 is gonna be up there. He's got a booth.
Oh.
He's selling merch.
Oh.
And I heard that Derek with the silver unit might be up there.
Dude, it brings the finest of all the 405 to one place. We're gonna go crash the party and make it not so fine. Oh my God, it did not like that at all. Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Hang on.
Oh yeah.
Get off on this motherfucker right here. Yep. This guy right here. Yep. Hang on, boots. We're gonna kill it for a second. She's got something in the computer where it doesn't like quick throttle responses. It goes through a quick throttle response, gets a bunch of air, it thinks something's wrong, it goes into limp mode.
Oh, crazy.
It's all throttle body activated. Be okay.
Daily driver shit.
Daily driver shit, you know.
Driver shit. You know, we call them daily drivers, but they're hot rodded a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, all of them have their little quirks.
Anytime you change anything on anything, man, it's either gonna break the part you just replaced, or it's eventually gonna break the part, or it's gonna break the part that you connected to that part.
Right.
No matter, you change anything, the engineers had it right at the very beginning, and then when you go modifying something, if you don't modify everything else in sequence to that component, it all goes to shit eventually. This is a compilation. Any aftermarket, any vehicle that has a bunch of aftermarket parts on it is just a collage of crap that don't belong on it. And then the challenge is trying to figure out how to make all your crap work on something that was already okay.
there. Is that Grant? See him? He's waving at you. What the hell are you doing?
Hey, go park behind Sean's black car.
Is it up here?
Yeah, it's right up here. Just go up there and take a left. Park right.
Hey! Oh, no, right there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah. All right, we're going right. All right.
Holy shit. You alright?
These are like this. Listen to this.
What's that guy doing?
Good? Hell yeah.
What's
guys?
Bro, doing all right?
Practicing my, I never take pictures, so I suck at it.
Cool.
God damn it. It's Daddy Dave.